How to diagnose torque converter noise. Are you hearing strange noises from your truck's torque converter and wondering what it means? Diagnosing torque converter noise can be tricky, but understanding the sounds and their causes is the first step. The torque converter plays a vital role in automatic transmissions, transferring power smoothly from the engine. When it starts to malfunction, it can produce various noises that signal different issues. First, let's talk about the common noises you might hear. A whining or grinding noise during acceleration often indicates internal damage or wear inside the torque converter. If you hear rattling or clunking sounds, that could mean loose components or failing bearings within the assembly. Additionally, if you feel shuddering or slipping while driving, it may be linked to a malfunctioning torque converter or contaminated transmission fluid. Now, how do you diagnose these noises? Start by checking the transmission fluid condition and level. Low or contaminated fluid is a frequent cause of torque converter noise. Look for dark coloration or a burnt smell, which suggests contamination. If the fluid is not clean, it can lead to poor lubrication and overheating, causing noise and potential damage. Next, perform a stall speed test. This test measures the engine revolutions per minute at which the torque converter stalls under load. Abnormal stall speeds can indicate problems with the torque converter. This test is practical and can often be done without removing the converter, making it suitable for trucks and 18-wheelers. Listening for noise patterns at different speeds is also essential. Torque converter noises may change depending on engine load and speed. For instance, cavitation noise occurs near stall or low turbine speeds and produces a broad noise. On the other hand, turbine-induced noise, which is a narrowband noise, can happen at higher engine torque around half the speed ratio. Another critical step is to inspect for overheating symptoms. Overheating transmission fluid or components can lead to noise. Check for any transmission temperature issues, which may arise from low fluid levels, cooling system failure, or internal damage. Finally, if the fluid checks and tests indicate ongoing problems, it may be time to check for physical damage or wear. The torque converter could have internal damage, such as worn clutch surfaces, a broken stator, or damaged bearings that need inspection or replacement. For trucks and 18-wheelers, maintaining fluid condition and cooling system is vital to prevent torque converter noise. Using torque converters with drain plugs can make fluid changes easier, helping keep the fluid clean and reducing the risk of noise. Regular inspection of transmission fluid and early diagnosis of noise can save you from costly failures and downtime. By systematically checking the transmission fluid, performing stall speed tests, listening for specific noise types, and monitoring temperature, you can effectively diagnose torque converter noise and take the necessary corrective actions.